out on the trails, you have your phone charged right here in the wireless phone charger, and you want to throw an iPad or a tablet up to access another map while your music is playing over here. Well, we have the option just for that. The Thumper Fab Tablet Mount is now available for the Ranger 1500 XD. So you as a driver can easily access it, or if you're riding passenger, it'll come right over to your passenger side so they can be a co-driver for you. So there's tons of uses for this thing. Like I said, I have an Apple iPad in it right now. You can use a tablet or any device that'll fit in the mount. Find it on the website, thumperfab.com. Find a dealer near you. I'll catch you on the trail.